Hi everyone, welcome to eSafeX, your trusted digital workspace. In this video, I'll show you how to register as a new member on eSafeX. On the home page, click on Sign Up. Enter your email ID, preferably the one you're sharing with your accountant or lawyer. Next, create a PIN that you will remember as it's needed for security purposes. Then, set your password following the rules shown on the screen and click on Register. You will then receive an OTP on your email for verification. Open your email, enter the OTP, and once verified, you'll see a message saying registration successful. Now, log in using your registered email ID and password. Click login and you will be directed to your eSafeX dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can view your account, access files, and manage everything securely in one place. If you don't receive the OTP, please check your spam or junk folder. If it's still not there, go to the Contact Us section, fill in the form with your phone number, and our team will assist you. eSafeX, where every file moves safely, smoothly, and stays systematically organized.